The unforeseen effects and damage of the COVID-19 pandemic caused a huge impact on the way we live our daily lives. There has been a lot of sudden changes on our community and to our lifestyle.
I, Maybele and Luma from Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, decide to focus on youth as part of my advocacy.
Promoting disciplines and the very basic concept of staying healthy and protecting the youth's well-being through sports, proactive and adaptive learning is my main advocacy. These young athletes have huge potential and can create a huge difference in our community. By using sports to transform the youth into better individuals and create an adaptive environment where these youths can grow, they will become an efficient member of the community. What inspired me to pursue this advocacy despite of pandemic was my experience back when I was in high school. As a young athlete myself, I can say that sport honed my skills on teamwork, discipline, and hard work. Some of my fellow athletes are now playing on varsities and become a well-rounded being on the society.
In this campaign, we would like to show that sport is not just sports.
They can use it to change their lives, help them to become better individuals and be a role model to others as an example of proper health management. My advocacy continues to foster teamwork, camaraderie, and discipline among the kids. So we want people to realize what they don't need to be financially stable or to be successful athletes to be able to give back. I always emphasize in my social media posts what they can give back if they have times, passion for sport, and willingness to share to the youth.
My advocacy is to promote youth sport by teaching kids discipline through sport. Change is about instilling the discipline of sport in the next generation.